So friend, right now we'll be moving to Jatinga festival for what? Hello everyone! Finally we are in main entrance gate of Jatinga festival location. Here we are going to enter right now.
The incident can be serious in Jatinga. Among the hundreds of species of birds which are found and die here.
As you all are aware that Jatinga is famous for bird phenomenon, for conservation and protection.
To the Jatinga phenomenon. It had been noted that during 1988, which was the year of heavy floods,
EMs, MSCs or हम लोग का council का officers or
since the student is absent, I would request the organizing, one of the member from the organizing committee to kindly receive the prize on her behalf.
Here inside you'll find many local dishes you can drink. You find here.
First prize, Asomika Hojai of Haflong government.
आजकल के जमाना में किसका पास एंड्रॉइड नहीं है? सभी के पास है तो प्लीज केकेजी के लिए आप लोग का फोन फ्लैश ऑन कीजिए और स्टेज पे फोकस कीजिए. एक बार हम लोग साथ गाएंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे. प्लीज रेडी
Yo!
आप लोग भी गाना है ना, ठीक है? यारो बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो बेगुनाह कोई decide. She keeps on looking from left to right. Girl, be closer.
Hello.
Look in my eyes, searching in sorrow.
Lale.
It's in like time.
Hele.
And this to be right.
Forward.
So give me
Mati mata pula.
to show you, hold you. Don't leave me up to this sing along. You can make up your mind. Please don't waste my time. I'm not gonna take my me to supasle nahi mai wahi dungla har ka dil ma bada dai chatim no dil yak lên mà la.
Hey, come on! Ngon lì bè tao được cái hả? So friend, today only we have local artists. So tomorrow we'll be having guest artists. So do visit everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Here today we have a less audience. So I hope and I believe that everyone will be visiting tomorrow. So see you there everyone.